party foil in it. And I have some projects of party foil to share with you, kind of like these. Let me show you something you can do with it. Let's take one of these straight ones. You can curl it like a ribbon. See how straight that one is? You can take scissors, any scissors, and curl it like ribbon. Look, it curls it. You can do a lighter curl or a tighter curl. Isn't it awesome? All right, let's see what's in the box. Party foil, green, pink, blue, and orange. I know a lot of you don't know what to do with party foil. Well, you can make pom-poms. You can make some other things I have here to show you, but let me open it. Let's see what you actually get in a roll of party foil. And there is a cartridge just for the party foil. It's in Access. It may even be free if you don't have Access. I'm not sure. I kind of think it might be one of those free ones, but if not, I know it's in Access. And it's a whole cartridge. Has the pom-poms in it. And these have a little hook where you can hang these. So you can hang them around like this. This would be so pretty in a party. They even stand up on the table for decoration. I put two of them together and made this one. Don't they sound fun too? Love them. Look, you don't just get one. Do you see how long this is? It's 4 feet times 2. You get this one. Look, you can even use it as a mirror. You can see on my computer. And you get a holographic one. Look, isn't it amazing? Look how long this is. You get 4 rolls of this. I have done a video where I made a banner with that. Also made this with that. This has been on my holiday tree. Sheila Rogers made this, and Michael made this, and these have been out there since she came in, I think it was March that she came. They have been rained on and wind blown and everything else. They're still good. In that free cartridge, there's all kinds of things like this that you can make. Look, this is really, really long. You can make it any size you want. You can add a string and hang this and hang it. And it has a princess castle on the bottom. Put anything you want on the bottom. Here's a smaller one. These are so much fun to hang. I've also made cards with this. This works great in the Cuttlebug. You can emboss it. All right, let's get back to other things in the mystery box. You get pens. These pens also work in the Cricut Maker. I've had so many people message me and ask me. They say they work in the Explorer, but they also work in the Cricut Maker. Anything that fits in the Explorer fits in the Maker. You get pink holographic iron-on. Yes, it's iron-on. You get blue and green holographic vinyl. Great for all kinds of things. Pink outdoor permanent glossy vinyl. This doesn't fade in the sun. And glitter hot pink vinyl. And that's not all. The sapphire faux leather. And I have some projects coming up where I use this color of leather. So make sure you're subscribed and you keep watching. And I have to explain what a mystery box is. Cricut sent me this mystery box so I can show you what it is. So thank you, Cricut. A mystery box is not something you subscribe to. I get that question all the time. It's something you just purchase. They sell out really fast, sometimes within 24 hours. Make sure you go purchase the mystery box right away or you're gonna miss it. You can use my discount code. You get 10% off if you have Cricut Access. And another 10% off on top of that if you use my code Melody Lane. In order to use my code, you have to have a $50 minimum purchase. That means $50 subtotal. So let's say you have $30 in your cart. The mystery box is only $29.99, so we're close. But we need to add a few more things to get it to $50. Here it shows shipping, but it does show my discount, but my discount comes after the subtotal. So let's add a few things to the cart, some more of this cardstock we have in the cart, until we can get our subtotal over $50. Now you can go back and shop and add more to your cart. Okay, one more and we'll hit $50 in our subtotal. Because I added more to my cart, it added more shipping. Now my total is $56.39. It did take off my 5% for access, but let's go to checkout. Now let's apply my code, Melody Lane. Your coupon code was successfully applied. Now my subtotal is still $50. 10% off and free shipping for my code and 10% off for access. If the code does not say it's applied, make sure you have your address in and choose your shipping. Now it's only $40.50. So make sure this subtotal is over $50 and then the discount and shipping applies. You don't have to actually spend $50, but you get $50 in product. If you're seeing this video too late and it's already sold out, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you click that bell to be notified. You can also sign up for my email, and I send an email out as soon as I post this video. So sign up for that email. There's a link in the description below. And are you in my Cricut Design Space group? Cricut Design Space with Melody Lane. There's a link to that below. And follow my page on Facebook, Melody Lane Designs. I post this everywhere, so you should be able to find this video as soon as it's posted that the mystery box is for sale. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.